Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new and welcome back if you're a subscriber. It's nice to see you again. Today's video is on my Ipsy unboxing for April. I didn't have a chance to film this because I was moving, so it's a little bit late, so sorry about that. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription service that you get 4 to 5 sample to full-size products every month in the mail for $10 a month. I'll link it below if you're interested in the subscription. This is the bag this month. It's so cute. It's like butterflies, and the other side is this color, which is a really nice purple color. So that's really nice. Definitely will reuse that. And then inside, something smells so good when I just opened it. It's called Social Butterfly. That's the theme for this month. So that's why there's butterflies on it. And then I got in here the Ciate London Starstruck liquid eyeliner, and this looks like it's full size. Awesome. So I'm really excited about this because actually my L'Oreal eyeliner that I've been using is almost used up. It's drying out now, so this is perfect timing for this. And one side is a normal black eyeliner and the other side has stamps, I guess, with stars on it. So that's interesting. So I'll open it as soon as my other one's up because I don't want it to dry out. The next is this Filorga, sorry if I'm saying it wrong, Filorga Laboratories Meso Mask, Smoothing Radiance Mask. So just a sample of that. And it doesn't say how to use it or anything on here. So I'll have to look on my account, my Ipsy account online and just see what it says for how to use. So I love masks, so I'm happy about that. Next is the Away Finishing Cream. Woo, I'm so excited about this because everything that I've tried from the brand Away I've liked so far. I really like the hair oil that they have. So the finishing cream, I think this is what smells so good too. Yeah, you can like smell it through the packaging. It smells amazing. Yeah, it's like a really nice kind of sweet spring, summer, floral smell. Like it smells delicious. So I'm excited to use that because I love that brand, what I've tried. And the last thing in here is a little bronzer by Paula Dort. Not too sure how I feel about this because it's so little. I don't know if I can even fit my bronzer brush in here. And it looks more like a contour shade than a it looks more like a contour shade than a bronzer shade, but I'll try it and see. Never heard of that brand. So that's everything that I got this month. So I'm pretty happy with this bag. It's one of my more favorite ones. Really love this stuff here. So like the mask and also the liner because I needed one, so that's like perfect. This I'm not too crazy about, but I'll try it all and let you guys know. Comment below, what did you get in your Ipsy bag for this month? And have you tried any of these products? Did you like them? Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much and have a great day.